When it comes to creating delicious meals effortlessly, the right cookware can make all the difference. This Jeetee 8-inch non-stick frying pan, a versatile and reliable kitchen companion designed to simplify cooking while elevating your culinary creations. Its stone coating technology, ergonomic handle, and compatibility with various stove types make it a must-have for home cooks and seasoned chefs alike. In this in-depth review, we'll explore the features, benefits, and reasons why this frying pan deserves a spot in your kitchen. The perfect blend of style and functionality. The Jeetee 8-inch non-stick frying pan combines practicality with elegance. The marble stone non-stick coating not only adds a sophisticated touch but also ensures effortless cooking and cleaning. Its neutral gray finish pairs seamlessly with any kitchen decor, making it both functional and visually appealing. But this pan is more than just good looks. It's designed for everyday convenience. Whether you're frying eggs, crafting the perfect omelette, or sautéing vegetables, this frying pan handles it all with ease. Key features that set it apart. 1. Marble stone non-stick coating. Say goodbye to sticky messes and hard-to-clean cookware. The Jeetee frying pan's PFOA-free stone coating guarantees a smooth cooking experience with minimal oil or butter. From delicate eggs to seared meats, your food releases effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. 2. Durable cast aluminum construction. The pan's cast aluminum body ensures even heat distribution, reducing hot spots and ensuring your food is perfectly cooked every time. Despite its durable construction, the pan is lightweight, allowing for easy handling. 3. Ergonomic heat-resistant handle. Comfort is key in any kitchen tool, and the bakelite handle of this frying pan provides a secure grip while remaining cool to the touch. You'll enjoy precise control without the risk of burns, even during high-temperature cooking. 4. Multi-stove compatibility. The Jeetee frying pan is versatile enough to work on induction, ceramic, gas, and electric stoves, making it a practical choice for any kitchen setup. However, it's important to note that this pan is not oven-safe. 5. Ideal size for everyday cooking. The 8-inch size is perfect for preparing meals for 1 to 2 people, whether it's a quick breakfast or a small dinner. For larger portions, Jeetee offers bigger size options like 9.5-inch and above. Why choose Jeetee over competitors? The cookware market is flooded with options, but the Jeetee frying pan stands out for several reasons. Health-conscious design. Being PFOA-free means you're cooking with a product that prioritizes your health. Affordable quality. The pan offers premium features at a budget-friendly price point. Ease of use. Its non-stick coating and easy-to-clean surface make cooking stress-free. Versatility. Compatible with multiple stove types, it caters to diverse cooking preferences. Benefits of using the Jeetee 8-inch non-stick frying pan. Effortless cooking. Thanks to the advanced non-stick technology, you can create restaurant-quality dishes without worrying about food sticking to the pan. Healthy meal prep. The pan requires little to no oil, allowing you to prepare healthier meals for you and your family. Quick and easy cleanup. The non-stick surface ensures that cleaning up after cooking is hassle-free. A simple hand wash will keep your pan looking and performing like new. Compact and convenient. Its 8-inch size is ideal for quick meals, making it a go-to pan for busy mornings or last-minute dinners. The Jeetee frying pan shines in various cooking scenarios. Breakfast favorites. Fry eggs, prepare fluffy omelets, or cook crispy bacon. Quick lunches. Sauté vegetables or sear proteins like chicken or fish. Snack prep. Heat up tortillas, make pancakes or grill sandwiches. Light dinners. Whip up small portions of pasta sauces, stir-fries, or side dishes. Another reviewer highlighted its heat distribution, stating, "No more unevenly cooked food." This pan heats up quickly and cooks everything evenly. Conclusion. This Jeetee 8-inch non-stick frying pan is a small yet mighty addition to any kitchen. Its stone coating, ergonomic design, and versatile compatibility make it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced cooks. Whether you're flipping pancakes or frying eggs, this pan delivers consistently outstanding results with minimal effort. Ready to transform your cooking game? Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring this game-changing cookware into your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.